welcome students. We are again together here to discuss about Logo. Students, this is the first programming language we will deal in this chapter and in this class. Okay, Logo, which stands for Language of Graphics Oriented. Logo stands for Language of Graphics Oriented. Okay, it is a programming language which is especially designed for children, and it contains a turtle. See this triangle, it is a triangular shape, and this is called turtle in Logo. See, it has two parts. It is head and it is tail. It has head and tail. Okay, so as we give the command, this turtle move forward or backward, left or right, or moves according to the angle, which we will learn later on. Okay, so this turtle moves and the figure is drawn, because we know what is Logo. Logo is a language of graphics oriented. Clear? Now see, there are certain commands which are used in Logo. First is for FD command. Okay, FD means forward, RT means right, BK means backward, LT means left. Okay, FD, RT, BK, LT. Students, you should learn these commands very carefully and you should know the use. Suppose that you have to move the turtle back, we will use BK command. To move forward, we will use FD command. To move left, we will use LT command. Okay, similarly more commands are there. See this blank space, between two commands, two instructions, we give space, and that is a blank space. Okay, this command, actually the blank space is what? The space bar key is there present on the keyboard, that is the blank space key. Okay, enter key, it is also present on the keyboard, we know. Then PU and PD, pen up and pen down. See, when the pen is up and we give command to the turtle moves, but the figure is not drawn because pen is in up direction. And when you do PD, that is pen down, the turtle will move according to our command and the image will be drawn. HT and ST, see, they are opposite of each other. HT means hide turtle, figure will be drawn but the turtle will not be shown. ST means show turtle, name is very clear. What will happen? Turtle will move and it will also be shown on the screen. So this is all about Logo commands. What are the different commands we will use? Okay, first of all, Logo stands for Language of Graphics Oriented. It is a programming language used by children to draw different figures. Okay, now see, this is a turtle, it is the head and it is a tail. Turtle moves forwards in its head direction. Okay, always front, and backward means it will move down. These are the commands: FD, RT, BK, LT, PU, PD, HT, PU, PD, HT and ST. These are the commands we have to deal. See, after this, again what we have to do. See, this is a turtle. When you will open the screen, turtle is there. See what command we have given. For FD, blank space, 100 and enter. See, this command will move the turtle 100 steps forward. See, from here it is here. Now the turtle is present where? Here. Now its position is this, isn't it? Before it was this, it traveled 100 steps and now the turtle is at this position. Similarly, BK 100. See, the turtle was here, original position. This is the original position. Okay, this is destination. Clear? Similarly, this is original position, and this is destination. Clear? Back 100. See, similarly BK, blank space, 100 and enter. This command will move the turtle 100 steps back. Clearly? Similarly, I'll give you few figures. Okay, and that figure will contain different commands. You see, I have even mentioned the angle there. You will look at those and we will discuss it. Okay,